Welcome back to the channel. Quick unboxing video of this tripod umbrella stand. It's portable, so we'll just unbox it, do a basic review, and get on it. So this is an easy unbox and use kind of item. We don't need the umbrella for now, but this would be great during summer. And this is just for extending the height of this. I assume just probably. I haven't seen anything inside to the effect that this would be screwed in, so I don't know what this part is for, but I assume you just put it in this spot over here and then lock it using this, and you can have your camera wherever you want it. And then when you're recording out in the sun, then you would have to connect this part on top. You just slide it in and lock it with this. We can try it out, and we don't need to open the umbrella, but we can just try it out. So yeah, I locked, screwed in the extension, this part, and locked this umbrella using this part over here. Just slid it in and locked it, and you can actually extend it as high as you want. You can see this is pretty tall, so depending on how high you want it. So yeah, easy unbox and use. Alternatively, you can use this without the umbrella as a basic tripod stand, which is what I'm planning to do. And I can actually just get a holder for the camera and then just slide it in here, or maybe somewhere here, just to have it as high as I want it. So thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video, watch the other videos, like them, share them, leave a comment. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next one.